Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, welcome to Fractal Bitcoin. I'm Chris, bringing you daily Bitcoin news videos. So make sure you subscribe and follow this channel. Let's get right into it. We start with the, that's our YouTube channel. We start with the 10-second Bitcoin price update. Right now, we're currently at $43,399. And we've been around 43,000 since yesterday. We're kind of hanging. We have between 40,000 and 42,000. We have a nice layer of support, which we're probably not going to go through, but and you can see the chart on the screen. So yeah, everything's fine. All right, let's move on to Max Kaiser, who says, look at the hash, not price. Hash precedes price. And the hash is, I believe, the total amount of computer power that's powering the Bitcoin network, the miners mining and all that computer power. So the more computer power there is, the more secure the network. And as Max says, and a lot of other people say this too, the hash precedes price. So when you look at the hash and it's going up and it's really strong and healthy, we know where the price is going, right? Okay. Just in, Bitcoin and crypto could significantly reduce US dollar dominance, says Morgan Stanley. You think? These guys are so late. I mean, look, we're disrupting their industry, so whatever. But, you know, even the thumbnail for this video, I wanted to make it a big, huge shark swallowing up a bunch of smaller little green US dollar fish. And because people think that, you know, Bitcoin is being adopted by traditional finance, but really traditional finance is being adopted by Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the stronger, better solution and in all the different use cases, right? So Bitcoin is isn't that interesting? I think that's interesting. Here we go. Matt Hogan says, as we welcome more TradFi into crypto, those are traditional finance folks. That's what TradFi means. Let's make sure we're speaking the same language. So here are some words. HODL. HODL means, well, it means hold. It was a typo. Here it says buy and hold, but really HODL means hold. Respect the pump equals momentum factor investing. I don't know what that means. Buy the dip is equal to dollar cost average, which is true. Fork is equal to spin-off. That's true. Altcoin is equal to small cap, and a S coin is equal to micro cap. Although people who are really into Bitcoin, every other coin but Bitcoin is an S coin to some degree or another. Degen equals retail trader. Okay. Diamond hands equals long-term investor. Yeah. And that's sort of built into the ethos of Bitcoin, right? We're just going to hold and for decades. Or like Michael Saylor tweeted the other day, you do not sell your Bitcoin. And a whale is a large investor. He's right. There's going to be more traditional folks coming and they got to learn the language. Okay. Well, there was some capital raised by Eode Capital. They raised $100 million in their fund, and what they're raising the money for is development in Bitcoin. So I'm assuming it's on the regular Bitcoin layer, but also Lightning and other things. And this is happening a lot. Companies who are working on the development of Bitcoin and, you know, Bitcoin apps and solutions, they're able to raise a lot more money from traditional finance because traditional finance is finally realizing, oh yeah, there's something to this Bitcoin thing. So good for them. They raised money. This is going to help build the whole ecosystem and the whole, just Bitcoin in general. It's going to build up Bitcoin to what it should be and what it will be. And here's Walker saying, the next part of the story will not be a picnic. He's talking about adoption here. Bitcoin NGU, which stands for number go up. So Bitcoin number go up will invite jealousy and misplaced hatred. Bitcoiners are already incorrectly blamed for money laundering, burning the planet, depleting swimming pools, etc., We will be blamed for much, much more. Be prepared. I really like this. I wanted to include this because this is going to happen, right? There's so much adoption happening and we're all excited, but we know there still are a lot of people left who are going to try to badmouth Bitcoin and besmirch the whole thing, right? Okay, Stripe, the payment processing platform, whatever, Stripe is deplatforming users for selling Bitcoin hardware. Yeah, and this is just another example of a company who, like we just talked about, Vanguard, right? They said, no, we're not going to have Bitcoin, and then everybody, a lot of their customers got upset, and then they said, okay, we'll do it. Same here. Stripe is being in the old world. They're being curmudgeons and they're being idiotic, really, because and they're being blind because they can't see where this industry is going, and so they're starting to crack down more, I guess, on in this case people who are selling Bitcoin hardware. It's just ridiculous. I'll give them a week to change their tune, probably, right? Well, they can hold out longer than Vanguard though. And here's this is an example. Someone posted about Stripe deplatforming their account, so you can read this. And don't forget, all the links to everything I'm talking about are in the description below. Now, this is interesting. A court actually is using Bitcoin blockchain for a legal summons, revolutionizing defendant notification. So this is very interesting. We'll just read this little bit. The case involves a cryptocurrency theft. Oh my God. The case involves a cryptocurrency theft, and the crypto was stolen from Ryan DeLone, a California-based healthcare worker who had $100,000 worth of crypto stolen from his Coinbase account in December of 2021. In December, that's this past December, the federal court accepted using Bitcoin's op return, a field in which information can be inscribed, to notify the attackers about this case. So literally they're going to somehow, and I don't get all the technical parts of it, but they're going to inscribe into the blockchain a note to the guy who stole this guy's Bitcoin. Come on. A court is utilizing Bitcoin's blockchain for this purpose. So, another example to bring up when people think that Bitcoin is just money laundering and scam, whatever. Michael Saylor is going to be speaking at BTC Prague. This is going to happen, June 13th to 15th. They just announced it today. He's going to be, I think he spoke there last year, and now he's speaking there again. I would love to go, but we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. And here, Michael Saylor posted this a few days ago. This is just a warning that in the Bitcoin space, there are going to be a lot of scammers trying to send you fake notes or fake emails and click on this. And you just have to be really, really careful at all times with anything to do with Bitcoin or even crypto or anything, right? Just, you got to really beware. And so Michael Saylor says, my team takes down about 80 fake AI generated YouTube videos every day, but the scammers keep launching more. Don't trust, verify. So yeah, just, you got to always be careful. I'm going to make a video soon about, I was scammed once, and it wasn't for a lot of money, but just being scammed, that's a weird feeling, right? All right, well, that's it for today. Check out our website, fractalbitcoin.com. And also, right on the top here, the top banner, it says Join Our Locals Community. If you click that, you'll end up on Locals here. Join our community where we're talking about stuff, and it's a really cool place to hang out. So I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to this channel. And you can also share the show with your friends who might want to know about Bitcoin news every day. I try to keep the videos to 10 minutes or less. Yesterday was weird. I had to rush it right at the end just to get in under 10 minutes. And here I am already at 9:40. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.